Okay, so here we are in the kitchen facing the stove ovens. We're going to take a look at where the light switch and the exhaust switch are located. There's the light switch and the exhaust. And to the left behind the stove is where the gas valve is located. We'll see how to turn it on later, but for now you can see where the red gas valve handle is and the diagram that tells you to turn it down to a vertical position to open. So make sure all the knobs on the stove are turned off before you start. Over by the switches, the red switch on the right that lights up is the exhaust, the left switch is the light. After you turn on the exhaust, you can now open the gas valve. So you just turn the handle down to a vertical position. Now go ahead and pick up one of the lighters and start lighting each pilot light on the stove. There are 10 total, and you generally want to start from right to left as the gas moves through the stovetop. Make sure you see the flame underneath, otherwise you will just have leaking gas. Now we're going to turn on the ovens. If you're only using the ovens, you still have to light the stovetop since the gas is going through the top. To light the oven, take off the cover and you'll see 2 red buttons. To turn on, push and hold the button facing you for about 30 seconds to 1 minute to release the gas. Then click the button to the right a few times to start the oven. You can continue to hold the gas release for a few seconds longer to make sure it takes. Always make sure you can see the flame through the bottom. If you only need to use one oven, you don't need to turn on the other side. However, if you need both, the process is the same. And there you go, the stoves and ovens are ready for use. When you're finished cooking, switch the gas valve back to the horizontal position, turn off the light and exhaust, and then make sure to put the oven covers back on. You can actually put these covers back on immediately after lighting the oven. Now we're going to show you how to clean the drains under the sink. You should do this after you are finished with cooking and washing, and also if you're part of the cleaning team on Sundays to make sure you clean this out. When food particles come through the drain and pile up, you can scoop that out first. But first you can take off the drain cap, knock off the excess food particles, and then take some paper towels and wipe the basin thoroughly. Make sure you get everything out. You don't need to rinse the drain cap, just make sure it is free of food particles, and then just put it back. Clean up the area and you're finished. There should be nothing left behind, otherwise insects will get into there. And that's it. Thanks for watching.